me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some. Oh, hey, Ali Flores here with OrlandoVacation.com. Sorry, I'm getting in the mood for some baseball here at OrlandoVacation.com after helping another sports team group plan their Orlando trip. What's that? You're looking to plan a trip to Orlando for your sports team too? No way! Then you've come to the right place. But before you do that, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified of the videos that we are posting. Score! You hit the button. Nice. Let's see how many more points you can get before the end of this video. But seriously, planning a trip to Orlando for a sports team sounds boring compared to the adrenaline rush of walking onto the field ready to play the game of your life. We get it. That's why we've created this video just for you, so you can pass the ball to us and let OrlandoVacation.com take the trip planning to the end zone. It's a hockey reference. In the meantime, here's what you need to know before booking your sports team group trip to Orlando. As soon as your team registers for the sports event you will be participating in, start looking as soon as possible for the Orlando hotels near the event. The more in advance you book a hotel in Orlando, the better the price it will be for you. Orlando hotels near the event might have preset rates for sports groups staying in that area, but they are often not cheaper to book under the event code. This is why a lot of sports teams reach out to us. As a local Orlando company, we have great relationships with our Orlando hotel partners who will work with us to get your sports team traveling to Orlando the best deal possible. If you are a school team, it's more than likely your Orlando trip will be placed on a budget and you need the best value for your money. We recommend booking one of our Orlando hotels that offers free breakfast. This will save your team money and allow your athletes to fuel up with a blanched breakfast before heading out to the field that day. Another way to save money on food and lodging is to book one of our vacation rentals near Disney World for your sports team group. Having a fully equipped kitchen at hand is perfect to make large batches of lasagna after a long day of playing on the field. It's cheap and feeds plenty with leftovers to spare. The athletes will also like staying at a vacation rental if they have a private pool or one with a game room so they can bond with their teammates off the field. If vacation rentals are too far from your event, or you just prefer splitting everyone up into Orlando hotel rooms, make sure to ask one of our group sales representatives to quote you for a larger suite room that we often see sports teams use as the coach's room. This is the main meeting point for the athletes and coaches to review how they played that day and discuss the game plan for tomorrow. Highly recommended. Another tip for your sports team group is to find an Orlando hotel that has laundry on site, because those uniforms will be stained with sweat and grass and we don't know what else. It's just easiest to take the uniforms downstairs and get them cleaned before games without ever having to leave the hotel. We worked with some of the coolest Orlando hotels that actually had sports teams groups in mind. We have several hotels with basketball courts, soccer fields, and batting cages right behind the hotel so your team can practice without ever having to leave the hotel. Talk about a win. Don't forget, if you're bringing a charter bus, check with the hotel or vacation rental resort first to see if they allow bus parking or trailer parking if you have a large football team hauling a lot of equipment. Make sure to get the itinerary from the event to check to see if there are any off days where you can visit some of Orlando's theme parks like Walt Disney World. The athletes will love to have a day to visit one of Orlando's theme parks, and if you have a group of 25 or more, you can get group discount tickets to Disney World and Universal Studios. Now that we've given you the tools for your Orlando Vacation Sports Group playbook, it's time to make the plays and start planning your sports team group trip. Give our group sales representatives a call today at 1-800-641-4008 before the buzzer sounds like your time has run out. And of course, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.